First, let's prepare our Ridge Gourd. Wash it thoroughly, peel off the skin, and cut it into even pieces. Time for our tempering. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil, then add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 bay leaf, 1 dried red chilli, 4 to 5 fresh curry leaves, and 1 green chilli. Now add 8 to 10 peanuts for a nice crunch, 1 chopped onion, and fresh cilantro. Let everything cook together for about 2 minutes. Add your chopped Ridge Gourd, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, and salt to taste. Next, add 1 cup of washed Surti Kolam rice. Any rice variety will work just fine. Pour into cups of water. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala and add 1 teaspoon of ghee for that extra richness. Let everything come to a nice boil, then cover and pressure cook until you hear to 2-3 whistles. Once the pressure has released naturally, carefully open the lid. Your Torai Pulav is ready to serve. It's simple to make but packed with delicious flavors. Thank you for cooking with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bhat's Kitchen.